Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to the channel, and as you can see I've had a haircut, but that's about it. It's been an absolute week from hell. I've just been having to work late on a night. We're in the middle of selling our house and I had to spend all weekend helping my brother-in-law fix his bathroom, so I've got absolutely nothing done. On the plus side, the new exhaust headers have arrived, well, newish, off eBay. I've just got to clean them up. I've got all the radiator sorted, ready to clean, brakes, front and back brakes, started cleaning the carbs. That's to alter, the front sprocket cover to alter. May have to shorten the side stand down to move the suspension point. I've discovered that the rear brake disc is supposed to be 4mm minimum, is actually under 4. Those are the bits they're getting ready for paint. So I have done a little bit, I just ran out of time. This is Wednesday morning. I'm trying to record this before I go back to work. The microphone's decided to pack in, so I'm recording it on the microphone on the GoPro. The computer decided it wasn't going to take a charge earlier in the week, and it's an Apple, so you can't just whip the battery out and put another one in. So it's just been one of them weeks. The bike hasn't moved on since you've seen it before, and it's just been stood there. The pole on the covers, is pretty much even, so I'm going to leave the covers as they are for now. We'll get a bit more bike on and then get a better idea of what it looks like, and then do some polishing. But I'm hoping to get a video out on Sunday, try and catch up a bit. I've got a bit more free time, and then it'll be back to normal on Wednesday. So hopefully I can get this out for 2 o'clock. I've got to do this before I go to work. So there you go. I know a lot of people look forward to these videos. Unfortunately, this week I just have not had enough time to do everything. So I will see you on Sunday, and then hopefully we'll be back to normal. Right. See you later.